Hello everyone and welcome. Kitchen gadgets can make all the difference in the world when it comes to cooking. From helping you prepare meals faster to making it easier to clean, having the right gadgets can make all the difference. That's why I'm here to share with you the 5 best kitchen gadgets you can buy this year. So if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, stay tuned and find out which gadgets will take your cooking to the next level. Number 5. Sonifer Blender Electric Food Mixer. The Sonifer Blender Electric Food Mixer is an incredibly handy kitchen appliance. It is easy to use and clean, and its stainless steel blade makes it ideal for mixing, blending, and pureeing a variety of ingredients. It also features a hook for hanging and a plastic body for durability. Plus, the detachable blending rod makes it even more convenient. This is a great option for those who are looking for a reliable and efficient blender. Number 4. LED Display Magnetic Countdown Digital Timer. The Kitchen Timer LED Display Magnetic Countdown Digital Timer is a great tool to have in any kitchen. It features a large LED display screen with clear numbers, making it easy to read from a distance. Setup is easy, as you can twist the knob to set the time from 0 o'clock to 99:59 and press the button to start or stop. Number 3. 3-in-1 Electric Breakfast Machine. The new 3-in-1 Electric Breakfast Machine Sandwich Maker Multifunction Coffee Maker Mini Oven Household Bread Pizza Frying Pan is an amazing kitchen appliance. It's made with high-quality, high-temperature resistant food-grade non-stick coating frying pan that is healthy and environmentally friendly. The 0 to 30 minutes knob timing is a great feature, making it easy to control the baking time and to meet the baking time of different cuisines. I highly recommend this product for anyone looking for a convenient and easy-to-use kitchen appliance. Number 2. OnePiece Portable Blender. The OnePiece Portable Blender Small Electric Rechargeable Juice Cup is a great choice for outdoor and indoor activities such as camping, hiking, fitness, and basketball. With a capacity of 400 ml and a non-slip design, this juicing cup is easy to carry. The size is suitable for most car cup holders and bicycle bottle holders. It's safe to use, tasteless, beautiful, and non-toxic, making it a great gift for friends, classmates, and family. Watch the YouTube video to learn more about this portable blender and its features. Number 1. Electric Handheld Pasta Makers. The Electric Handheld Pasta Makers Automatic Portable Noodle Ramen Machine is an amazing tool for home cooks who want to make fresh pasta without the hassle of traditional pasta makers. This machine is compact, lightweight, and easy to use, making it perfect for those who are new to making pasta. It has a one-button control, which is easy to use and makes the process foolproof. Additionally, the machine is rechargeable and comes with a USB charging cable, making it easy to take with you on the go. The results are delicious, and with such an easy-to-use machine, you can make fresh pasta in no time. Highly recommended.